to install Bluetooth to a car radio that does not have Bluetooth. Today we're in this Mercedes Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is a simple gadget that allows you to add streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigation from your smartphone right through your older car stereo system. You do not need to replace the head units. You do not need to take it out or take it apart by adding anything to it. All you got to do is plug in the Gizmo Guy Gadget into your car and set your radio, and then you're ready to go. You can plug in my Gizmo Guy Gadget to your iPhone, and you'll be able to listen to all your music from your iPhone right through your Mercedes factory radio system without static, and you'll sound just like CD. You can add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Simply use the Gizmo Guy Gadget, plug it in, and you'll add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio.
Hey Wesley, this is Thomas. I bought your gadget a month ago for my 2000 Mercedes S430 that's only got 80,000 miles on it. This car is beautiful and it's perfect, except it doesn't have Bluetooth, it doesn't have Pandora, it doesn't have anything. But now, thanks to you, it does. So now I'm hands-free when I'm talking on the phone. Now I got Pandora, I got Sirius XM, I got anything I want. What a great product. Thanks so much.
Gizmo Guy's a Bluetooth connector which works on all European cars, and it definitely works on our one. Very easy to connect. We've got an Android and a Apple phone, and it connects on both of them, works very well on both. The sound is as good as anything through the radios. We're very happy with it.
The phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then it's transmitting on a specific radio channel, and that you can choose, and then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car.
Through your older car factory radio without Bluetooth. You can add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Simply use the Gizmo Guy Gadget, plug it in, and you'll add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio. Supply is very limited, so please get yours as soon as you can at GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you.